Welcome. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide for installing a Water Creation double sink washstand. To get started, you will need the following materials and tools: some silicone sealant, an impact drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit, and a level. We will start off with the side legs. First, grab a long support bar and a 4-way joint. Thread the long support bar through the joint and loosely tighten the pin on the joint. Place an escutcheon at the short end of the bar and fully tighten the pin. Then grab a sidebar, connect it to the joint, and fully tighten the pin. Thread a 3-way joint onto the sidebar and loosely tighten the pin. Then get the short support bar, insert it into the 3-way joint on the sidebar, and tighten the pin. And then place an escutcheon at the end of the short support bar and fully tighten the pin. Using a level, match the height of the long support bar with the short support bar and tighten the pin. Place another escutcheon at the end of the long support bar to complete a side leg installation. Repeat these steps again with the 3-way joint facing the other direction to finish installing the other side leg. Let's move on to the center leg. Grab a long support bar and the 5-way joint. Thread the bar through the side of the joint that does not have pins. Loosely tighten the pins. Place an escutcheon and fully tighten it at the short end of the bar. Attach a sidebar to the 5-way joint and fully tighten the pin. Then insert a 3-way joint onto the sidebar and loosely tighten the pin. Insert a short support bar into the 3-way joint and fully tighten the pin. Attach an escutcheon at the end of the short support bar and fully tighten the pin. Using a level, match the height of the long support bar with the short support bar and tighten the pin. Finally, attach an escutcheon at the end of the sidebar and tighten the pin to complete the center leg installation. All 3 legs are now assembled. Let's connect them with the front bars. Attach one of the front bars to the 5-way joint and fully tighten the pin. Attach the other end of the front bar to the 4-way joint of the side leg and tighten the pin. Repeat these 2 steps on the other side of the 5-way joint and the other side leg. Place all floor flanges on the leg and place the whole stand on your desired location. Make sure it is all even with a level. Adjust joint positioning if needed. Mark down screw holes on the wall and floor. Drill holes on marked locations with the impact drill. Screw in the floor screw to the floor flange. And secure the flanges on the floor. Secure the washstand to the wall using the screws and anchors provided. Apply sticky pads and sealant on each escutcheon. Place the countertop over the stand. This process is best done as a 2-people job. One person is much likely to cause damage. Seal the gap between the countertop and wall using the sealant. Installation of the Water Creation washstand is complete. Please check out our other video on backsplash installation. Water Creation, crafted for you.